Welcome. Today I am with AirPods 3 and I'll show you how you can move them to the pairing mode manually. So normally when you open the case, you will find here this notification and you will be able to connect your iPhone just like that, as you can see. So just tapping. But what you have to do when you when you don't have this notification bar. So take a look. I'm going to unpair them just like that. Yeah, let's forget this device. And right now, if you want to connect them manually, you have to move them to the pairing mode. So you have to click and hold this button. Well, let's catch the focus. Okay, you have to click and hold this button until this indicator starts blinking on the white color. So when it's blinking, you have to release. And after that, you will find AirPods on the available devices list. Tap on them once. And after a few moments, will be successfully connected, as you can see. So that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.